Good morning, boys and girls.
Good morning, Miss Lisa.
Good morning, boys and girls.
Good morning, Miss Lisa.
Happy to be at school today. Yes, we are all happy to be here. Today is a wonderful day. We are going to leave the leaves alone. We are not going to trouble the leaves. Now, in front of us, we have our containers with our bin that we placed and a cotton. And we left them outside. We came, we watered them some, but we left them out there during the weekend and the rain fell. What are you seeing in your container right now?
Water.
Water. It's filled with water because the rain fell and we didn't have to come and water them. So we thank God for the rain. Let's clap and thank God for the rain. Yes. Thank God for the rain that He sent that can water our plants and fill up our cistern. Now, so what we're going to do right now this morning is just a check. We are going to take a little peek inside the cotton to see if we can find any change. Some of the beans, they may have burst open and they may have gotten some roots where they could grow. Some may not. So we will check and see. And see if you could open up, see if you could find the bean. Hold your guess. Where's the bean? Is there a bean? It's on that side, I think. No, it's there. Yeah. Oh, it's open?
Wait, what?
It's open. Turn it around. Let's see what we can find. It's open. So, okay, put it back. So maybe we'll find some roots. Cover it. Cover it. Good job, and leave it there. Next person. It stinks. Yeah. Can you find your bean in there? I think this is yours, right? Here's the bean. No, look at right there. Yeah, this is it right there. It's not opened yet. Yes, go ahead. Okay, so let's leave it there. We need to the rain fell and filled up the bowl with water, so we need to empty out some water. But it's okay. Leave it right here. Yeah, that's what it looks like right now. Okay, put it down. Good job. Next person. Let's see if we could hold your container. See if you could find the bin in there. Any roots? No roots?
It's almost cracking.
It looks like it's cracking, right? Let's see this. Wait, to me I see something there. Where is it? Yeah, it's cracking. This one is cracking. Okay, put it down. Cover it. So maybe we'll find something. Next one.
Yeah.
Oh, look, I see something.
It's cracked.
It's cracked? Wait, do we see a root? Could you shift your cotton? No, here, this here. Yeah, not so hard though. It's cracked.
Yeah,
it's cracked. So maybe we might find some roots. Let's see another one. Is this one cracked?
Is that no? Oh, it's cracked.
Yeah, it's cracking. So maybe there may be a root growing out of this bean. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Yes. All right, let's go to the next one.
Oh yeah,
Right here.
Lessons.
Lessons. Let's see what lessons got there.
It's almost
Okay. Not yet. So cover it some more. Let's go to the next one.
Preston.
Yeah. So Preston, go ahead. Go ahead. You come on. Go ahead. You can do it. Yeah. Go ahead. Now you take the stick, put it in the water. Don't poke it, but you're going to shift the cotton. You can shift the cotton because you want to find the bean. Can you find the bean in there?
It's
It's right
right there.
there. Yeah.
I see red. I see roots.
I'm coming, son. I'm coming. Okay, let's see. Okay. All right, cover it back, Preston. Cover it back. Okay, let's go to another one.
Look at the roots.
You see roots there?
Yeah. That's not even a root. That's a stick.
Hold on. Let's see what we find in here. Oh, this is the bean.
So what is mine cracked?
That is from the tree that fell. Okay, it looks like it may open somewhat. All right, let's go to the last one.
Meteor. Oh!
All right, there's the bean.
Yeah, scream that.
It's cracked a little. Alright, so stand properly. Now, do you remember the name of your plant?
Gorilla.
Each of you gave your plant a name. Each of you gave your bean a name. Do you remember the Layla, control yourself, please. Do you remember the name?
Yeah. Sweetie.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and we're going to say on it. 1, 2, 3. Good job. You guys did great. High five. 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 All right. We have a root here. Look it. Do you guys see it? Yes. Yes. We have a root. Oh my goodness. Look it right there. Wow. Let's see if we could get this to the camera. Let's see if we could get this to the camera. We have a root right here. We have a root. Yes, we do. Look at it. We have a root. Yay. Good job. Let's be quiet at this time.